Vaughn at the University of Arkansas Agriculture Research and Extension Center in Fayetteville. And today we're going to be looking at GPS and drones and how it applies to agriculture. Now on this station we use drones and some other instruments to put cameras above our fields so we can get information about them. In the lab today you'll be using a cell phone GPS like this and a small drone to gather information similar to what we do with the drone that we have here. From this you can either use the controller to fly the drone, or you can program the drone using GPS, and that's part of the lab that you're doing. GPS, the way it works is we have satellites in the sky that communicate with the GPS device, and then from that information you can either mark a point or come back to that point. Now with this information we can do all kinds of things precision agriculture wise. For example, we can take soil samples in a grid pattern and then make improvements to the soil there. Seen how we can use GPS and drones to gather information about agriculture and how that improves breeding material for researchers that can then help the farmers in the state.